broke the face of the journalist, and there were scenes in which he composed the song, sang the song, but when the final time came, the credit was taken away and someone else showed up. This shook me. Why? Because suddenly it wasn't just a movie. It was a mirror. एक आईना था वो. A mirror of what's happened to so many artists out here. Maybe even parts of my own story. So it's like when you rehearse for hours and your soul gets poured into that creative work. And everybody, like at your work, says that you are brilliant at your work. This is your original work. And you're like full enthusiastic. And then when it is the time to showcase that on the stage or on the screen, your name gets wiped off. Somebody else comes up, the favorite one, the chosen one, जिसको उन्होंने चूज किया था कि आपका टैलेंट यूज करके they can shine. They comes up and walks away with your light. क्या ये सिर्फ बॉलीवुड में होता है? नहीं, ये हर एक आर्ट की फील्ड में होता है. जो असल और रियल टैलेंट होता है उसकी मेहनत किसी और के नाम चढ़ा दी जाती है. एंड यू नो व्हाट दैट डज एग्जैक्टली. It breaks something inside you. That is not just professional damage. It is more than that. That's an emotional theft, an emotional damage. So as a classical Indian girl and as an independent artist in this digital era, I am saying this with full voice. No one has the right to steal my credit. Not in the name of favoritism, not in the name of hierarchy, and not obviously in the name of opportunity. And now in this digital age, talent is visible. अगर वो सच्ची सोल के साथ किया गया हो तो अच्छा काम सबको दिखता है और जिसने किया है उस तक पहुंचता भी है. दिस रील इजंट अ रैंट, इट इज अ मूवमेंट फॉर एवरी आर्टिस्ट हु हैव बीन ड्रॉप्ड साइलेंटली, जिसका क्रेडिट उसको ना दिया गया हो. पता है, भगवत गीता में एक बात लिखी गई है, जो खुद में संपूर्ण होता है, जिसको खुद की कला में विश्वास होता है, वो कभी किसी का क्रेडिट नहीं चुराता. पर जब किसी के अंदर बहुत इनसिक्योरिटी होती है खुद के टैलेंट को लेकर, खुद को लेकर, तब वो किसी भी टैलेंटेड इंसान को ऊपर नहीं उठने देता. सो दिस इज द ट्रूथ. इफ यू हैव एवर फेल्ट दिस पेन, शेयर इट. Share it with your tribe. I know you have. Because credit is not a luxury. It is alright. For more such informative videos, follow that classical Nitya. Namaskaram.